Hi! In front of me is HOTWAV Pad 8 and today I would like to show you how you can edit password saved in Google Passwords Manager. First of all, go into Devices Settings and scroll all the way down to access Google section. Then tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Following that, just click on one of your passwords that you wish to edit and enter your current login method. Now you need to select Edit button right next to the Delete one and change wherever you wish to. Lastly, click on Save at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my password has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!